Hey guys, what's up? My name is Nelly and my channel is Reviews by Nell, and today I am going to be telling Ashley, well not me actually, Google is going to be helping me choose 6 numbers that are going to be assigned to an eyeshadow palette, and those numbers are going to tell you what shades going to use on your eyeshadow look. Seems simple, right? Well, actually it has a twist because we're actually going to be using our less favorite palette, so there should be fun. So I'm going to start with the first number, and that number is number 2. The next number is 19. Next number is 109. Girl, you better work. The next number is 18. 97, 111. You should play that number of the lottery. Yeah guys, there are the numbers of our destiny, of our eyeshadow look, and I will not be held responsible for anything that happens, okay Ashley? Okay. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy Ashley's video and my video as well, because I will be posting one on my channel also. So I'll see you soon, and Ashley, good luck.
Brothers, hi, how are ya? What's up? How's it going? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I don't know how to do intros. So you already saw my friend explain to you what we're gonna do today, bros. Like, it's gonna be so much fun. And I love improvising. So we're gonna do this. We are. Well, it's not my least favorite. It's just that I just stopped using it. And it's this one right here. It's a great palette. It has like all the colors of the rainbow. This is how it looks like, right? And then I cannot show you what's underneath, which is another 60 colors, because it's all messy in there. But today we're going back to her. I'm gonna do number 2, which is this one, as a transition. God. Is it doing something? So the next color that she picked, or that I'm gonna use, is the 19 one, which I think is gonna go to the crease. I'm gonna use the same brush. And I don't know if you've noticed or you can tell, I'm doing it really soft. I'm not doing it harsh because it's easier, at least for me, it's easier to blend. So I just packed it there, and then I go really soft. I hardly do any pressure to my brush. Okay, another color she chose was 97. But I cannot show you that because, like I said, it's really messy. It's like a purple. It's like a deep, like a bluish kind of purple. This is giving me like sunset vibe, doesn't it? So we got like a 80s situation up in this bed, but it's not an 80s thing, I promise. So what I think I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut that crease back. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer on a flat brush like this that you cannot see because it's not focusing. Just a small flat brush, concealer brush. And I'm gonna put it here and look up, and that's it. And then this is gonna be your guideline. Do you see it? This right here. So another color she chose was number 18, which is this one right here. And I think I'm going to concentrate that in the inner corners. happening. I'm gonna go back to the 19 color, which was the pink one. And then I'm gonna take the purple again and just concentrate it on the outer corner right here. We have two colors left. A brown color that I again cannot show you because the palette is messy, but it's like a chocolate brown, which I think I'm gonna use to deepen to give some depth to my lower lash line. This two last color, because it's a brown and a black, I'm gonna use as liners, okay? And last but not least, 111, it's a black color. And I think that's what I'm gonna use as a liner. Actually, I don't wanna do any liner to this look. Hey, this is my look, this is the final look. I don't know if you like it. So I ended up popping up some lashes. These are the Kiss lashes. What's the name? Pompadour? I don't know. This one's right here. I put a little bit of eyeliner so the seam you don't get to see the plastic. I put some ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the name Head in the Clouds, which has pink sparkles and I love it. And tons of blush. I don't know why. I was like, hey, you know what? Usually I don't like blush, not that much. But I don't know, I felt like the look, I don't know, I just did it, okay? Just chill. That's about it. I didn't do anything else. I was thinking about putting some sparkles, but then I was like, that's not part of the challenge for your eyeshadow. So yeah, this is it. This is the look, you guys. I don't know if you like it. If you don't, let me know. Thank you once again for watching. Thank you, Nell, for collaborating with me. And I love you, and I hope your result is as good as mine. I'm not saying mine is good. It's chill. I know how it sounded like. But what I meant to say, I somewhat achieved a look like the colors were complementary to one another. And like, it's a look. It's something. If you like to subscribe my brothers, and you know, hit that notification bell if you want to see me and we can hang out and all that stuff. I'm gonna leave Nell's video and social media down below, mine too, and we will see each other when we see each other. Bye.